Namo Namaha. Myself Miss Shamal from Thakur Vidya Mandir High School and Junior College. Students, today we are going to study Parichayaha Part 2. In last video, we learned if the person is single, then what you have to use for making the sentence or making the question. Today we will see if the persons are many or the things are many, how to make the sentence or questions. Ete, te. These are the plural form of etat pronoun. Ete means these, te means those. Ete and te we are using for masculine. In first picture we can see some children. And these children are closer to us. So we are using ete balakaha. These are children. Ete pashyanti. These are watching. Ke pashyanti. Who are watching? Ete balakaha pashyanti. These children are watching. In second picture, we can see some cards. The cards are far away from us. Te shakataha. Those are cards. Te gachanti. Those are going. Ke gachanti. Who are going? Te shakataha gachanti. Those cards are going. In this way we can use the ete and te. Here some persons are sitting and they are closer to us. Ete purushaha. Ete upavishanti. Ke upavishanti? Ete purushaha upavishanti. In fourth picture some students are writing. They are far away from us. Te chhatraha. Te likhanti. Ke likhanti? Te chhatraha likhanti. Chitram društva vakyam likhat. Here some pictures are given. You have to see the pictures and make the sentences and questions. In first picture, we can see vanaraha. In second picture, balakaha or chhatraha. Third picture, ashvaha. Fourth picture, gajaha. So use this information and make the sentences and questions. Etaha taha. Etaha means these, taha means those. Etaha taha we are using for feminine. If the persons are closer to us, we are using etaha. If the persons are far away, then taha. In first picture, we can see some students are playing and they are far away from us. Taha chhatraha. Those are students. Taha khelanti. Those are playing. Kaha khelanti? Who are playing? Taha chhatraha khelanti. Those students are playing. Here some ants are going somewhere. Taha pipilikaha. Taha gachanti. Kaha gachanti? Taha pipilikaha gachanti. In third picture we can see some ladies and they are closer to us. Etaha mahilaha. These are ladies. Etaha namanti. These are saluting. Kaha namanti? Who are saluting? Etaha mahilaha namanti. These ladies are saluting. Here some sparrows are there. Etaha chatakaha. Etaha kujanti. Kaha kujanti? Etaha chatakaha kujanti. Kujanti means chirping. Etaha chatakaha kujanti. These sparrows are chirping. Chitram društva vakyam likhat. Here again some pictures are given. You have to write the sentence and make the question. In first picture, chhatraha vadanti. Chhatraha vadanti. Second picture, balikaha खेलन्ति. Third picture, महिलाः नृत्यन्ति. So with this information write the sentences. एतानि तानि, these those. एतानि तानि we are using for neuter. एतानि if the things are closer to us, तानि if the things are far away from us. In first picture we can see some fruits are falling, means mangoes, and mangoes are closer to us. एतानि आम्राणि, these are mangoes. एतानि पतन्ति, these are falling. कानि पतन्ति, what are falling? एतानि आम्राणि पतन्ति, these mangoes are falling. In second picture we can see some trains, and trains are far away from us. तानि रेलयानानि, तानि रेलयानानि, those are trains. तानि चलन्ति, those are moving. कानि चलन्ति, तानि रेलयानानि चलन्ति. एतानि पुष्पाणि, एतानि विकसन्ति. कानि विकसन्ति, एतानि पुष्पाणि विकसन्ति. Here the flowers are closer to us, that's why we are using एतानि पुष्पाणि. These are flowers. Here some fans are there. तानि व्यजनानि, तानि भ्रमन्ति. कानि भ्रमन्ति, तानि व्यजनानि भ्रमन्ति. Here the fans are more, so that's why we are using व्यजनानि. तानि व्यजनानि, those are fans. तानि भ्रमन्ति, those are moving. कानि भ्रमन्ति, what are moving? तानि व्यजनानि भ्रमन्ति, those fans are moving. चित्रं दृष्ट्वा वाक्यं लिखत. Here some pictures are given. You have to see the pictures and write the sentences. In first picture we can see some aeroplanes. In second picture यानानि. Third picture वाहनानि. And fourth picture पत्राणि पतन्ति, the leaves are falling. So use this information and write the sentence. द्वौ द्वे द्वे. When the persons are two or the things are two, what you have to use to make the sentence or question? एतौ तौ. एतौ means these two, तौ means those two. एतौ तौ we are using for masculine. If the persons are closer we are using एतौ. If the persons are far away we are using तौ. In first picture we can see two elephants. एतौ गजौ. एतौ चलतः. कौ चलतः, एतौ गजौ चलतः. एतौ गजौ, these two these two are elephants. These two are walking. Who are walking? एतौ गजौ चलतः, these two elephants are walking. In second picture we can see some two monkeys. The monkeys are closer to us. एतौ वानरौ. एतौ उपविशतः. कौ उपविशतः, एतौ वानरौ उपविशतः. Here we can see two children are playing. They are far away from us. तौ बालकौ, those two are children. तौ खेलतः, those two are playing. कौ खेलतः, who are playing? तौ बालकौ खेलतः, these two children are playing. Here two deers we can see. तौ मृगौ. तौ धावतः. कौ धावतः तौ मृगौ धावतः। चित्रं दृष्ट्वा वाक्यं लिखत। Here two pictures are given. You have to see the picture and write the sentence. In first picture, two dogs are there, shunakau, and two students are reading. So with this information, write the sentences. Ete te. These are using for feminine. If the persons are closer to us, ete. If the persons are far away, te. Here two teachers we can see and they are far away from us. Te shikshike. Those two are teachers. Te likhatah. Those two are writing. Ke likhatah. Who are writing? Te shikshike likhatah. Those two teachers are writing. Here the two students are dancing and they are closer to us. Ete chhatre. These two are students. Ete nrutyatah. These two are dancing. Ke nrutyatah. Who are dancing? Ete chhatre nrutyatah. These two students are dancing. In this way we can use for feminine. Ete te. Feminine and neuter we are using both same. Ete for the closer things, te for the far away. In first picture we can see the two boats. They are far away from us. Te nauke. Te taratah. Ke taratah. Te nauke taratah. Here we can see two lotuses. They are closer to us. Ete kamale. Ete vikasatah. Ke vikasatah. Ete kamale vikasatah. Vikasatah means blooming. In first video already we saw how to use the aham. But once again we will revise. Aham balika asmi. Aham pratarasham khadami. Aham prabhate shalam gacchami. Aham madhyane swadhyayam karomi. Aham sayankale gitam gayami. In this way we can use aham for introducing ourselves. But if the person is single, that time we are using aham. But if the persons are two, we are using avam. Avam likhavah. Avam likhavah. For the feminine and masculine, we are using both same. And if the persons are many, vayam likhamah. Vayam dhavamah. Tvam. Tvam means you. Tvam pashyasi. You are watching. Yuvam pashyatah. You both are watching. Yuyam pashyatah. You all are watching. In this way we are using tvam, yuvam, yuyam. Students, in bracket here some verbs are given. You have to write the proper form of verb. To see the pronoun saha. Saha, third person singular. So you have to use the verb also third person singular. Gadati. Saha gadati. See the 10 number sentence. Aham. See the aham. Aham first person singular. So we have to use the verb also first person singular. Aham kridami. In this way you have to solve all the questions. Yogyam paryayam chinut likhatcha. Here in brackets some options are given. You have to choose the correct option. Aham. Again the aham is a first person singular. So you have to find out the first person singular verb. Upavishami. Aham upavishami. In this way you have to solve these questions also. Dhanyavadah.